Well, I'm getting a late start to the day coming out here, and I'm looking for fossils, shells. I found shells up here. I found ripple rock too. But anyway, I want to show you one that I found right here. This one was up on this hill. Let me get a close-up of it. Right here. Check out that. How cool is that? Pretty dang cool. The right size and the right profile. Up in here, there should possibly be more of these fossils. And then we're going to go down the road. Just keep on knocking this. Down the road and see if we can find some other types of fossils too. There is a few more. If you can see, here, let me get this dialed in. Right here, you can see the pattern. And even right here, check out this one right here. That pattern. That is a nice, very nice pattern. We'll take that one too. But we are working our way up into all this, which, like I say, seems to be covered with different types of that type of shell fossil. Right, let's get back to work. Check out this one. This one's got some patterns in it. Look at all those shells. Let's see if I can get closer. That is some cool shell fossils, all up in this little ridge thing. All right, stand by. I'm gonna put this in the car actually, and then we'll continue on. All right, this is the ridge. I just put the fossil in the car, and we are gonna go back up on here and see if we can find some more cool pattern shell rocks. It's a nice day today. All right, no time to waste. Let's get to work. I had to put on the wind buffer because my it's getting windy up here. Check out this one here. This one's got a few fossils in it, and even got, looks like worm trails right there. There's some on the back too, you can see. I do believe either they're stems or they are worm trails. All right, no time to waste. Let's get going. More. My area is notoriously found with a bunch of ripple rock, where the ocean mud flats, or there might have been the ocean floor, made these little things. But yeah, there's tons of them all over in here. You can see where the mud actually cupped right here. Like I say, they're mud flats or the bottom of the sea, but it's all in here. These are not as good as some of the ones I find, but still, they're pretty cool when you see them. I found another little area that has a few in it. Check out this one here. Let me see if I can get this dialed in. There you go. That's nice. A nice shell. There's one there. There's a bigger piece in this thing. Here, let me move this off. Bigger one right there. That's nice. And there's smaller, little teeny shells, but don't act like the ones with the patterns on it, like this one and that other one. Here's another one, a faint one. You can see. It seems to be right in this little seam area right in here. All right, we're going to continue looking around in here and see if I find any more. All right, here is a few more. Where's it? Right here. Check out that one. That one's a nice, nice formed shell right there. All right, and there is, I think I saw some more. Right here. Here's a kind of a small, let me zoom in. That's about as zoomed in as it gets. You can see the pattern in there. There's some more on the back sides of these. Oh, there's something there. A faint one right there. Looks like one's stuck back there. All this area right here seems to be having a bunch of shells, kind of like right through this seam. All right, let's continue on. Here is a few more. Got this one right here, and I got that. This one's a nice one. Little patterns on these. Yes, it's Shady, gone to the seashore. All these ancient shells from a long, long time ago when this used to be an ocean. But now it is southern Utah. It is far from being an ocean. All right, let's go and explore some more. Maybe possibly a different area.